Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I am fine. How to make money, the social media management, the marketplace, the local marketplace, the lot of demand, the present type, the social media management, the how to make money. There are service way to make money as a social media management service. Offer service as a freelancer. You can offer social media management service to business, brand, individual who need help managing their social media account. You can change the feed band, the number of account you manage, amount, the content create, the number of following by helping hand. The social media management, the lot of work, the Amazon affiliate marketing who can promote product service your social media account, earn the commission in each sales media through the unique affiliate link. Your social media management, the affiliate marketing, how to make money commission on right affiliate link as like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, etc. Sponsor content. You can pay brand of business to create sponsor content the social media account. Who can charge? Free creating and the promoting content, and also negative the additional composition brand based on the level engagement generation. The social media advertising. You offer social media advertising service to business and brand, help the creative run targeting advertising campaign, the social media platform. You can change a feed based on the amount, speed level, the targeting requirement, the all over success to campaign, the how to make money, the online platform and social media management. Sell your own products. If you the larger following the social media platform, you can platform use the make money on search and digital concern, ebook, photography, etc. The generating your own product, the sales, your the social network, social media platform as like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. etc. Remember, branding is stored the social media places taken time and effort, so it important the focus and creating high quality content and build regulation with the followers by social media content. You can attractive more followers and increase earn the possible the social media management. Friends, just some for motivational to some guideline. How to a lot of make money, the social media management, the Fiverr platform, Upwork platform, online platform. You can your skill, social media management, gigs, offers, the sharing, social network, LinkedIn, Twitter, Tweet, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. etc. How to make money monthly, $10,000 to $50,000 earn the social media management, the make money on Fiverr, Upwork. I am the then practical class total social media management income. Thank you.